Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're jumping right into the world of AI trading with a system designed to put your money to work for you, literally 24/7. Let's pull back the curtain and see how these automated returns actually happen.
I mean, isn't that the dream? True, hands-off passive income. The idea that while you're busy with your day, or even while you're sleeping, your money is out there, working hard for you. Well, today we're looking at a system that's built to do just that, using some seriously smart AI.
And boom, here's the number that'll make you sit up and pay attention. 17.5%. Let that sink in for a second. That is the average gross monthly return from Aurum's main bot, the EXAI bot. And that's not a guess. It's based on 3 full years of live, verifiable trading data. So how on earth does that work? Let's get into it. All right, here's our game plan. First, we'll cover the whole concept of trading on autopilot. Then, we'll meet the different bots in the Aurum family. We're going to do a deep dive on that flagship EXAI bot, then talk about the incredible magic of compounding, and finally, we'll map out how you can get started. So let's start at the beginning. The core idea here is to take human emotion, and let's be honest, human error, completely out of the trading equation. The whole concept is actually pretty straightforward. The AI is constantly scanning the markets, analyzing tons of data to find and execute smart, low-risk trades. And it's all happening in the spot market, so we're talking about directly buying and selling assets, no complicated high-risk stuff. The goal is just steady, consistent growth, all managed by the bot. It is literally designed to help you earn while you sleep. Now, here's the thing. This isn't just about one single bot. It's actually a whole ecosystem with 3 different bots, and each one has its own unique strategy. And you can really see the 2 main philosophies here. On one side, you have the XAI bot, which is your classic set it and forget it long-term wealth builder. But on the other side, you've got the XAI Pro and Zeus bots. These are for people who might want a little more flexibility and control, with features like no lockup periods on their initial capital.
And when you look at them side by side, it becomes even clearer. You can see the EXAI bot, with that huge 17.5% average monthly potential, is really for that passive income goal. Then you have Zeus and EXAI Pro, which offer that awesome flexibility of no lockup, but with slightly different return profiles. The really cool part, though, you can run all 3 at the same time and diversify your strategies within the same ecosystem.
So, while there are 3 options, there's a very clear starting point for anyone who's serious about getting into this. Let's zoom in on the main event, the EXAI bot. This is where the real power is. Again, that 17.5% average monthly return isn't a projection. It's based on 36 months of actual results. It's completely hands-off, your profits are calculated and added to your balance every single day, and maybe the best part, it's super accessible. You can actually get started with just $100. Now, this is really key to understanding how it all fits together. The EXAI bot is basically your gateway into the entire ecosystem. It's the only one that unlocks the full partner program, and you actually have to have an active EXAI bot before you can even use the EXAI Pro. So if you're wondering where to start, this is it. The system also has a really clever profit-sharing model. Basically, the more you deposit, the bigger your slice of the pie is. You can see here on the basic tier, you keep 60% of the profits. But if you're up in the VIP tier with over 10,000 USDT, you keep 85% of what the bot makes. It's built to reward commitment to the platform. Okay, now, for what might just be the most mind-blowing part of this entire system, it's a concept you've definitely heard of, but you may not have seen it applied with this kind of power. In simple terms, compounding is just when your earnings start making their own earnings. So instead of taking out your profits, you roll them back in. Your total balance gets bigger, so the next day's profit is calculated on that new, larger amount. It's like a snowball rolling downhill. It just keeps getting bigger and faster. So check out this real example from their platform. Let's say you start with 10,000 USDT in that VIP tier. If you just let the profits reinvest every day, in only 6 months, that balance could grow to almost $23,000. And after a full year of doing nothing but letting it compound, it could grow to over 52,000 USDT. That's when the growth really starts to take off. When you do the math, that's a potential annual return of over 427%. Now, of course, we always have to be clear, past performance doesn't guarantee future results, and all trading has risks. But this number really just highlights the incredible mathematical power you can unlock when you combine consistent returns with daily compounding. So, When you see numbers like that, the next logical question should be, okay, who are these guys? Is this for real? So let's talk about the credibility and trust behind the platform. First up, the community. You're not an early adopter here. There are already over 50,000 clients and partners using the Aurum ecosystem. Next, just look at the scale of this thing. The platform has handled over 90 million USDT in trading volume. This is not a small operation. And this whole system is backed by a dedicated team of more than 35 professionals. We're talking data analysts, developers, and financial experts. And just look at where this team comes from. We're talking about heavy hitters from places like Binance, Morgan Stanley, OKX, and IBM Blockchain. This is a team with some serious credibility in both the finance and the tech worlds, which definitely helps build confidence. And of course, the big question, how do you get your money out? They keep it really transparent. Profits are paid out to you daily. You can request a withdrawal anytime, 24/7, with a low minimum of just 25 USDT. And your profits are never locked up. Your initial principal has an early withdrawal fee, but only for the first year. After that, it's gone. So, if you're ready to take the next step, it's really as simple as 1, 2, 3. You join the Aurum Foundation platform, you use the invite code EXHT1, and you can activate your own EXAI bot and get started with as little as $100. And you know, I think this quote from a verified member just says it all. Activated the bot, went to bed, woke up to profits. I mean, it's the perfect testimonial for a system like this. It's not about hype, it's just about results. So let me ask you that first question one more time. Are you ready to put your money to work for you?